Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of the Mac Heavens vlog, I'm going to share with you a recipe, a vegetable recipe that we can just find in the backyard if you have that in your backyard, but we have that in our backyard, of course. And that is camote tops, fried. I'm going to cook a fried camote tops and camote tops juice with lemon. Okay, let's start. Pangit na kamay ko guys, daming ugat-ugat. Sign daw yan ng hardworking na person. Charot. After washing the camote tops, we have to boil it. And I'm using the old rice cooker pot. And this is for boiling purposes only. And these are the ingredients: flour, salt, 1 piece of egg, ground black pepper, water, and of course our camote tops. Pag okay na yung camote tops, ready na siya i-remove. Tingnan mo yung sabaw niya, nag-greenish na. Isa-separate na natin yan siya. Kasi yung sabaw, gagamitin natin mamaya para sa ating camote tops juice. And imamash lang natin siya para madali siyang mablend doon sa egg at saka sa flour. After mixing the flour and the egg, let's add the ground black pepper and the salt. Tansya-tansya lang tong akin guys. Ala talaga akong tamang sukat ng mga ingredients. Kasi konti lang naman ang ating camote tops. Tinansya-tansya ko lang. Dalawa lang kami kakain ng anak ko kaya konti lang. Same procedures lang sila guys nung previous video ko na fried moringa. Different lang is yung camote tops ang gamit natin dito. Antayin lang natin na mag-golden brown na siya bago natin i-flip. At mayroon tayong suka pang sausawan. Lagayan lang ang pinakurat guys, pero yung sa laman niya, yung talagang suka, tas nilagyan na lang namin ng bawang at saka ng sili. And I'm so sorry, wala tayong tissue because we ran out of tissue the time na nagfi-film tayo. Kaya walang tissue para sana ma-absorb yung excess oil, diba? So, ayan ang ating fried camote tops. These are our ingredients for the camote tops: juice, sugar, and calamansi. And syempre, kailangan malamig ang ating juice. Ilagay nyo lang sa ref or lagay nyo ng ice. Ayan, tapos na ang ating camote tops juice. Tsaka yung sa lemon na may mga pulp na lumilitaw, hindi ko na siya tinanggal. It's up to you kung tanggalin nyo. Sa akin, gusto ko yan. Sarap. And that's it for our video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.